You can make healthier taco shells, taco bowls, and tortilla chips using your oven. First up, taco shells. Warm 6 tortillas at a time in the microwave by wrapping them in a barely damp cloth and microwaving for 30 seconds. Lay them on a clean work surface and coat both sides with cooking spray. Then carefully drape each tortilla over 2 bars on the oven rack. Bake at 375 until crispy, 7 to 10 minutes. Next, taco bowls. Spray 4 warm tortillas with cooking spray and nestle between 4 cups of an upside-down muffin tin to form a bowl. Bake at 375 until firm and beginning to brown, about 15 minutes. Transfer to a wire rack to cool. Repeat with the remaining 4 tortillas, or if you have 2 muffin tins, make all 8 at once. And finally, tortilla chips. Lightly brush one side of 4 corn tortillas with about 1/4 teaspoon canola oil each and sprinkle with a pinch of salt. Stack the tortillas and cut into 8 wedges. Arrange on a lightly oiled baking sheet. Bake at 400 until crisp, 8 to 10 minutes. Find these recipes and more healthy recipes on EatingWell.com.